There are some great keyboard shortcuts that are built into even a standard installation of Microsoft Excel. For example, if we look here, Control-Shift-2, which uses the key that has the @ symbol on it, will instantly give you a date format. You can go ahead and use that shortcut with a standard Microsoft Excel installation. However, if you're using Macabacus, you're going to be able to use the same keystroke here to go through a date format cycle. Let's take a look at how that works. On this particular cell, hitting Control-Shift-2 is going to allow us to cycle through different date formats that we've preset. If we look below at this year, 2022, we can very quickly format that as an actual or a forecast. We're going to have so much control over these date formats with Macabacus. The other added feature that we're going to have with Macabacus is the ability to put in a binary switch really quickly using Control-Shift-Y. An example of a binary switch is basically a switch which uses a 1 or a 0 in the cell. And what the computer can do can quickly format this as a yes or no, or an on or an off. We just hit Control-Shift-Y really quickly, and in fact, if we keep hitting it, we can cycle through all of the different available options that are programmed into Macabacus. This is going to save us so much time. It's always a great idea to understand exactly where we can control the settings for all these cycles that we're using in Macabacus. Let's go up to the Macabacus section of the ribbon. Under Settings, Configure, we want to go down the left-hand side to where it says Numbers. In here, we can open up this drop-down box and we can go down to our date cycle. This is where we have the number formats for actual, forecast, and these different date formats below. We can also open up the binary cycle, and this is where we saw the options for yes, no, on, off, true, false, etc. We have so much control over these different settings. The other great thing to keep in mind is notice how intuitive these keyboard shortcuts are. Control-Shift-Y just makes sense for a yes or no switch, and Control-Shift-2 utilizes the key that has the @ symbol on it, which is often associated with dates. These are so well thought out, and these little shortcuts are going to save us enormous amounts of time as we're working through our projects. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.